Lisa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be making banana oatmeal breakfast cookies. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So this is another recipe inspired by Feel Good Foodie that I know on Instagram. So we have quite a bit of ingredients here. So you're going to have, of course, your banana. Then you're going to have some vanilla extract, some pure maple syrup, some coconut oil, your oats, some flour, 1 egg, some nutmeg, cinnamon, and flaxseed. Now you can use flax seeds. I'm using flaxseed meal because that's what I had on hand. Then a little bit of salt, baking powder, and some raisins. Now, I'm not crazy about raisins, so I'm not going to add the whatever it is, a quarter cup, whatever it is. I'm just going to kind of put them in a couple of the cookies just for some variety. But that's literally all you're going to need. Super simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my bran and we'll get started. And as always with bananas, the more ripe they are, the sweeter they're going to be. So these are kind of just normal, a little bit on like the not so ripe side, I guess you could say. But we have our maple syrup and stuff in here, so I'm not worried about it. So first thing you're going to want to do, as always, is mix your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients. So we're going to take our flax seeds and our oats, and we're just going to put those aside, and your raisins if you're using them. So raisins, oats, flax seeds, put those aside. We're going to be folding those in at the end once everything is well combined. Okay, let's move this, shift everything over. Now, I'm sure I forgot to tell you because, but definitely make sure to preheat your ovens to 350 degrees so you're not sitting there waiting if you forgot to do it, because this isn't going to take long at all. So I'm going to add our flour, our cinnamon, our nutmeg, love nutmeg, our baking powder, and our little bit of salt. Okay, and you're just going to take a little whisk or something and just kind of mix this around a little bit. Nothing too crazy, just to make sure everything is evenly distributed and you're not going to have like, a chunk of flour or a clump of cinnamon or something not getting well mixed with everything else. That's it. So then we're just going to put this aside and take another bowl here. And we're going to start adding in our other ingredients. Now, I'm not going to do this right now just because I don't feel like dirtying something else right now. But I did see a little hack online for smashing your bananas. Now, I saw the video, so it definitely works, but if you want to smash your bananas more easily, then I saw a video where you just smash them on a plate rather than right in your bowl, and it's way easier. It's just like a flat surface, and your bananas aren't kind of like rolling around all over the place, but I'm fine. I'm just gonna do this normally, but I figured I'd share a little hack with you guys. Okay, that's it. Now I like my bananas to be a little bit on the chunky side, but you can do it however it is that you want. Now we're gonna add in our maple syrup. This is pure maple syrup, not like the syrup that you put on, waffles or something like that. Then we have our coconut oil. You're just gonna wanna make sure that this is melted when you put it in. Doesn't take much. Okay, then just your vanilla and your 1 egg. Alright, then you're just gonna mix this up a little bit. Okay, so you should get something that looks, oh my gosh, I'm gonna spill this everywhere. Like that. So now we're just going to start incorporating our wet to our dry ingredients. I'm going to do like maybe half at a time. Okay. Trying to condense here. Alright, so I'm just going to take slightly bigger spatula here. Alright, so now you should have something that looks like this. Okay, now we're going to add in our oats and our flaxseed or flaxseed meal or hemp seed or whatever it is you guys want to use. And we're just going to be folding this in. Alright, so now we have our cookie batter. So we're just going to take a baking pan with some parchment paper. And then we're going to take our baby spatula and our big, I think this is like a coffee spoon, and we're just going to start making our little cookies. So these do spread out just a little bit, so just make sure they're not, you know, completely on top of each other. Alright guys, so we have about 10 cookies, we have 10 cookies here, kind of squished the other two on the side. And now I'm going to add in some raisins. So like I said, I'm not too crazy about raisins, so I'm just going to add them into a couple of them just for some variety. Alright, and that is it. So now we're just going to bake these in the oven at that 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm going to go do that and then we'll check up on them once they're done. We're all done. Let's check out our cookie. These smell so good. Now we're just gonna let them cool and then we can get ready to try some. Okay guys, so you should have something that looks like this. How cute do those look? I left 3 of them with the raisins, so I'm not gonna eat those. But now it's time for my favorite part, to try one. Now I didn't let these cool all the way. I'm gonna go let these cool before I eat them all. So good, you guys. They're such a great little breakfast cookie. I don't feel guilty about eating them. Not that I feel guilty about eating a cookie anyway. But they're so good. They're nice and soft. They're not like too crunchy and crispy, at least when I put them in for about 11 minutes. So if you guys want them crispier, you can go ahead and leave them in a little bit longer. You can customize these however you want. As always, add chocolate chips, add different nuts, add whatever you want. Those are so good. I can't wait for you guys to try them at home and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!